Morning everyone. Today, we'll talk about the 3 things we should know before we die.
January 23rd. Wuhan goes into lockdown.
Thousands of cases. Hundreds of deaths. Yan ang meron tayo ngayon. Kung meron mang dalawang bagay na kinakatakutan mangyari ang isang tao, ayun ay ang tumanda at ang mamatay. 2 things na hindi natin kayang kontrolin. Pero handa ba tayo dun? Isa sa pinaka-favorite kong quote is yung quote ni Dr. Miles Monroe. A life without purpose is not life at all. If you're not living, you're just existing.
Understanding your purpose is so important. The greatest tragedy in life, therefore, is not death. It's actually life without a purpose.
Did you ever question yourself? What is the purpose of your life? I found one character in the Bible, none other than David. He is the one na tumalo kay Goliath. Siya yung pinakabunso. Siya yung pinakamaliit. But then, siya yung naging hari. First thing we should have before we die, we should have courage. Nasa bahay tayong lahat, di ba? Pero nasan yung courage? Kapag nakahiga ka na oras na bumabangon, nasan yung courage? Meron kang pangarap para sa sarili mo, para sa pamilya mo, para sa bansa mo. We need to have courage before we die. Kasi meron tayong 10,000 na ililid. Kung susuko tayo, paano na sila? Second thing na gusto ko sa character ni David, confidence. Para maging ikaw, para maging siya, need to have confidence to reach our goal. If you have a dream, do not let anyone hold on to your dream. If you want to become an architect, then be an architect. If you want to become a teacher, then become a teacher. A lawyer, then be a lawyer. Do not let anyone hold on to your dream. Last thing that we should know before we die. This is I want you guys to focus on. A very important thing. David and Jonathan. A beautiful friendship. They are willing to risk everything. Especially si Jonathan. He is willing to do everything just to protect his best friend. So, this is the last thing we should have before we die. Care. Being not okay is okay. But being not okay all the time, it is not okay. This time, mag-encourage ka naman ng iba. Kailangan ka nila. Kailangan nila yung hug mo, kailangan nila yung smile mo. Ngayong nandito tayo lahat sa quarantine, let's make it a testimony. Let us share before we look to teach. We put a little more care of what we preach.